Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and today we'll talk about self join, how we are going to use the self join. And the question around that is, if you see these two tables, the first table is like input table wherein we have employee information along with their managers. And now what we need here, we need employee IDs, their names, their manager's name, and their skip manager's name. So basically, skip managers are managers of the manager. So if you see the question here, it says write a query to get employee, their manager, and skip level manager. Okay. So now how we are going to write the query for this? So of course we'll use self join for this, and I'll just explain you that how we are doing that and how we are getting this output for this employee, their manager, and their skip level manager. So I'll just show you here. I'll say select star from employee, and I'll just put here this is say EMP. This is EMP name, and then manager ID, and also EMP dot EMP ID. So if you see this table, the actually the manager and employees data are in the same table. So now what we have to do, like this is the employee ID is 1, and the manager of this employee is 2, which is in the same table itself, which is Monica. Again, the manager of the Monica is manager ID 3, which is again the employee ID, that is Rohan. Then how we are going to get the employee and manager information? If you see here, I'll just take this instance as employee, and I'll say left join. Again, I'll put the employee table in the join because I'm going to use the self join, and say this is manager, say MGR on emp dot manager id equals mgr dot emp id. And then what else I need here? I need mgr dot emp id as manager name. Okay, if you see this result, sorry, this I have to take emp name. So if you see this result, we have employee Abhay and his manager is Monica. Likewise, we have Monica whose manager is Rohan. So how we are basically getting this result, I'll just show you here. So if you see, you have Abhay whose manager ID is 2. Who is manager ID 2? That is employee ID 2, that is Monica. Okay. So we are here getting the manager of Abhay is Monica. Likewise, who is manager of Monica? Monica's manager is employee ID 3, that is Rohan. So if you see here, we have Monica whose manager is Rohan. So Rohan is basically employee ID 3. So likewise, if you see in this result, you have Mohan whose manager is Monica. Who is Mohan? Mohan is employee ID 4 and his manager is 2. 2 is what? Monica. So if you see, we are able to get here all the employees with their managers. Now, what about their senior managers or their skip level managers? For that, I'll have to again take one more left join here. I'll put here and I'll call it, say, skip level manager. So I'll say SMGR. Okay. And then I'll make the join with this SMGR dot manager ID equals to this MGR dot employee ID. Okay. And again, I'll just take here the manager from employee ID, manager ID. Okay. Sorry. Here I'll have MGR dot manager ID equals SMGR dot EmpId. And here I'll have SMGR dot employee name as skip manager name. Now I'll again re-verify these things. So now Abhay's manager is Monica and Monica's manager is Rohan. So how will just check that. I'll show you. Abhay's manager is 2, which is employee ID 2, which is Monica. And Monica's manager ID 3, which is employee ID 3, which is Rohan. So if you see here, the skip level manager for Abhay is Rohan. Likewise, if you check for any other employee, say for Monica, who is the skip level manager? So Monica's manager is 3, that is Rohan, and Rohan's manager is 4, which is Mohan. So if you see here, you have the Mohan as the skip manager of Monica. Likewise, you can verify one more, say Jagin. Jagin is having manager ID as 6, whose name is Paul, and his skip manager is Rohan. So if you see for Jagin, Jagin's manager is 6. 6 is who? Paul. And Paul's manager is who? That's again Rohan. So if you see the skip level manager for the Jagan is Rohan. So I hope you like this video. Please like it if